How to delete your Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Netflix account. So to do that, first of all, open the Netflix application on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged in, simply open any profile you'd like. Now once you've done that, tap on the profile icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the account option which is right over here. And now in order to delete your Netflix account, you'll have to scroll all the way to the bottom side of the screen and then tap on the option delete account. Now you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to confirm your identity. Now you can either have them email you a code or you can also confirm your payment details. Now for this example, I'll simply email a code. Now a code will be sent to your email address which is linked to your Netflix account. So simply open your mail and then enter the code. And now once you've entered the code, simply tap on the option enter code to continue, and then you will be taken to another page where you will be able to delete your Netflix account. So that is basically how you delete your Netflix account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.